Hello and welcome to Easy Step Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this chickpea faina. Let's go to check the ingredients. So to start, we are going to cut the onion and brown it in a pan with a little oil. When it's hot, well, I have the onion cut and frozen, so in this way it's easier and it's more quickly. And when you have a golden like this, the onion is ready. And now I will use this chickpea flour, 500 grams, and I put salt and also the pepper. And if you don't like pepper, it's okay just with salt. We mix a little bit, and now I will put the olive oil, 5 tablespoons, and we mix. And now I will put the water, but not all the water at the same time, in 2 or 3 different times. We mix a little bit. And now the other part of the water, you will have something like this. It is very important that there are no lumps. So now I'm going to use a mixer to mix everything very well. And now, at this time, we can put the onion in the mix. And to have a better taste, if you like, we can put garlic powder or also onion powder. And we are ready now to the oven. So we need now a preheated oven, 200 degrees. We need the container to be hot, and we will cook for about 20 minutes until we have something like this and it's ready. Perfect faina or chickpea flour, perfect to combine with a pizza. It's very delicious. A typical Italian recipe, or also in Argentina we have this faina. So enjoy, and if you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe, comment. Thanks, and see you next time.